creating safety environment in preschool. So I'm going to talk about making safe classrooms in the preschools. So first, keep dangerous supplies out of their reach. So for example, there are scissors, glues, and other dangerous supplies that may be used in the activities or the playtime or during the class time with their teachers. So these supplies needs to be kept out of children's reach. For example, keep those into a wall shelf that are located or attached higher locations so that children cannot ever touch or reach to those supplies and use it without supervisioning of teachers. Second is hygiene. The health is one of the most important facts in safety. Hygiene is really important in preschool, especially. Children are vulnerable to disease and epidemic. Hygiene can be maintained in several ways. And I'm going to show you the 2 ways to keep hygiene. First is washing hands. According to CDC, washing hands will prevent illness and spread infection. According to their report, washing hands reduces the number of people who get sick with diarrhea by 23% to 40%. And it also reduced diarrhea illness in people with weakened immune systems by 58%. It also reduces illness like colds and in the general population by 16 to 21%. It also reduces absenteeism due to illness in school children by 29 to 57%. So this prevents a lot of illness and also spreading of infections. And sanitize everything is second part. Not just hand, also the toys and other stuffs can be infected and there can be lots of germs. So not only washing hands, but also all stuffs that are touched and contacted to individuals and to children needs to be sanitized within the same reason as washing hands. Third is following through with consequences. So this is another way to create an environment in a safety environment in preschool. Safety education is important in preschool. Children are not aware what is dangerous and what is not. They do not think and cannot think the consequences of their actions before the education. It is important to educate them with consequences so that they can understand and have safety awareness. For example, raising their hands while they cross over the crosswalk. Teaching them why they need to do will help them to perform better. The reason why child needs to raise their hand and recommended to raise their hand is to prevent the drivers misseeing them because of their height. So teaching them consequences may help them to understand that drivers may not be able to see them since their height. So they can extend their height by raising their hands, and it will be a good notification to the drivers that there is a child. The fourth fact, to create a safety environment in preschool is watch the floors. Even a small toy can cause injury to soft skin of children. Children play mostly on the floor. Children are easy to fall, and if there is any hard stuff on or a edge of a block can cause injury to a children, especially when the children lose their balance and fall without control. Once one of my child returned from his preschool with few scratches on his face near his left eye. The teacher did not aware why it happened and when it happened. However, the teacher knew that my child was laying down a lot during the day. So she was just assuming that he get scratched while he was laying down on the floors. This is why it is important to keep floors clean and watch the floors if there's anything that could cause any injury. Thank you.